Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Jingpynrong Kyrteng thamai yaki Nongthep vote ka Jingpynbeit yaki Kyrteng ki badan Jingbakala ha korukom tho but ka Jingweng yaki Kyrteng jong ki blaklat lani ka special intensive revision SIR kala Sdang ha ki lightly ki assembly constituency jong ka West Khasi Hills district. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor han Nongston ka Deputy Commissioner ka Himan Nayak kala ong baka District Election Office kala batha ya baro ki booth level officer BLO bakin letyo kajat sa man la kilong yeng ban pensi sha ya ka jingdon jong ki dekot ka long yeng ban lum jing tep sa phang ki blaklat no but ban penti kana baka Thup Kyrteng jong ki Nongthep vote ka long ka badai bat ka babyang. Ka Deputy Commissioner kala kenturu ya baro ki basyam bagi Kyrteng jongki ki don Jingbakala ha karukom tho lani ha ki wei par ki Jingbakala ha ka electoral roll bakin lej bani kendo ya u ne ka booth level officer jongki khnang ban la ban penbet mardor. Kala pentip ru bagi tu ki bala kenjo lani ki ban kenjo khat prasnam ha lani shwa ka sitarik urisau arhaja arpun rio hinrei kimla bani kendo ya u ne ka booth level officer kila ban penrong Kyrteng lingba ka online lani ban one batch ka district election office ban pendap ya ka form number 6 kat kum ki kendon balabu. Hagaju kapor kala kerpat ya baro ki nongsong snong bakin ai ka Jingïatreilang bapura ha ka ni ka Jingpynbeit ya ka Thup Kyrteng Nongthep vote khnang ba ka electoral roll kan long ka batik na ka babyang bat ka ba yat bet ya ka rukom ka babyang na ka benta ki pajba ha ka jella.
By using this platform, I would like to appeal to all the voters and citizens of West Khasi Hills district for the upcoming SIR exercise. So under SIR activities, we have already completed the pre-SIR mapping and our mapping had reached around 60%. And now commencing from today, we will be starting BLO house-to-house visits where BLOs will be sharing the EF, that is enumeration form, in 2 copies to all the eligible voters, and they will be collecting one of the copies back. And other than this, the voters can also use the online platforms. And after this exercise, BLOs will be checking and verifying all these applications. And once this procedure is done, the draft e-roll will be published on the 5th of August. And after that, there will be a 2-month long time for the claims and objections plus the appeal. All the voters, if they have any doubts, they can approach to our office. We have 3 constituencies, we have 3 EROs, 10 AEROs, 26 BLO supervisors and 193 BLOs for each booths. So I request all the voters to reach out to our office or to the BLOs if they have any doubt, and we give full assurance to all the voters that we are together in this exercise. For SIR, the importance is to clean the electoral roll, and for that we have a dedicated team. We will be doing the deletion of the voters who have deceased or who have permanently shifted, and we will also be adding all the new voters. And by doing this, we will be having a clean electoral roll. That is the aim, and that will be published in the first week of October. During the pre-SIR mapping, we have mapped around 60% of the voters. We have mapped the 2005 and 2025 electoral rolls. And for those voters whose name is not there in the 2005 electoral roll, we got some doubts from the voters and the public. For that, we give the assurance that all the EFs of those voters also will be collected by the BLOs and they will digitize it. And during the scrutiny, EROs will be doing the hearing with all such voters. And to justify their claim, we have also released an indicative list of documents which the voters can bring during the time of hearing. And if they are not satisfied with that hearing, there is a time for appeal also. So the voters can appeal to DEO in the first stage and to CEO after the DEO level of appealing. Fine date is 1st October. So those voters who will be completing 18 years by the 1st of October 2026, they are all eligible to enroll themselves, and for them the procedure is slightly different. Instead of the enumeration form, they will have to fill up the form 6 like usual, and in addition to that they also will have to give a declaration form, and by giving these two documents they will be enrolling themselves in the upcoming electoral roll.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.